On this page we're going to be looking at dividing with powers, which is a second index law. So if we have x to the power m divided by x to the power n, that can be written as x to the power m over x to the power n, which is x to the power m minus n. The power in the denominator comes up to the numerator and changes sign from positive to negative. An example is a to the power 5 divided by a to the power 3. So it can be written as a to the power 5 over a to the power 3. Write your a down 5 times. Divide by a to the power 3, so a written 3 times. You've got some cancellations that occur, and your answer is a times a, which is a squared. In index notation, that's written as a to the power 5 minus 3, so there's your 5 minus 3, a squared. So for the next one, it's y to the power 13 divided by y to the power 7, which is y to the power 13 minus 7 y to the power 6. For the next one, you'll notice there is more than one pronumeral, and we've also got coefficients for both terms. So it's negative 6 x to the power 4 y squared divided by 3 x squared y squared. Using the index law, well, first of all, evaluating the coefficient, negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2. Then using the index law, x to the power 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 there, and then y to the power 2 minus 2, so y to the power 2 minus 2, and the answer is negative 2 x to the power 4 minus 2 is x squared. Y to the power 0, well, any term to the power 0 is just 1. So the answer for that one is just negative 2x squared. Now the third index law is when you've got x to the power m all to the power n, that means x to the power m times n. So an example is x squared all cubed. So that means you've got to rewrite x squared 3 times and multiply it, which is x to the power 2 plus 2 plus 2 using the first index law, x to the power 6. That's very simple there, but when you've got a coefficient inside the bracket, say 2a squared all cubed, that's 2a squared multiplied by 2a squared multiplied by 2a squared. When you multiply it all out, it's 8a cubed. Now many students find this one quite difficult. Let's just write it again. It's 2a squared cubed. If you're expanding it, it's actually 2 cubed multiplied by a squared all cubed, which is 2 cubed multiplied by a to the power 2 times 3, which is 6. And of course we know that 2 cubed is 8. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, a to the power 6. So for the next one, negative 3 y squared all to the power 4. means negative 3 y squared, written 4 times and multiplied. Only I don't want to do that. I want to start with the negative 3 because that's also taken to the power 4, as well as the y squared taken to the power 4. So negative 3 times negative 3 is 9, times negative 3 again is negative 27, times negative 3 again is positive 81. 81 y to the power 2 times 4, 81 y to the power 8 is the final answer.